Hi guys, this is Rajit. I just wanted to do a quick video again today about some of the trades which got triggered during this week. I know the week has been very volatile, so generally people believe, when the markets are crashing like anything, you probably don't get a lot of trades, or maybe all the trades they get stopped out. But the fact is, if the markets are volatile, you can get more number of trades and you can even get bigger targets. So the fact is, the volatility is not our enemy. The volatility is basically a friend if you don't know what you need to look for on the charts. So I'm showing you again some of the trades which were shared in advance on the POS Plus group, and what were the outcomes of those trades. So like here you can see, I shared some trades for the 28th of July, and can you see if I scroll, this was shared on 26th of July. So the trades were shared on 26th for the coming week. And if you look at these trade setups, so two of the trade setups are still hidden. The reason for that is that these trades have not yet been triggered. I'm only showing you the trades which have been triggered. So the two trades which got triggered out of all these four trades which are shared for the coming week on the 26th. One is Power Grid and the other one is Hindustan Unilever. And you can see both of them are long trades. So I know when the markets, if you see this week, markets have been crashing like crazy. Most of the people would believe that, all the long trades will get stopped out. So now let me show you these two. So this is Hindustan Unilever, which if you see, we planned it on, I shared it on 26th, prices came back on 29th, prices hit the zone, gave you 1:1 move, again hit the zone, gave you a move which is more than 2:1, but the zone is not yet violated. So again, this was a weekly income trade where we were looking for targets which is more than 2:1. So our initial target was more than 2:1, but if you're still happy with 2:1, you would have easily got your 2:1 done with the trade. The second trade was Power Grid, again from the same trading ideas from that same day, POWER, Power Grid. So if you look at Power Grid, just look at this, prices came to the zone and just touched the zone, and we had an amazing move. So as if now, if you look at it, again, the markets have been very bearish, but see, prices hit the demand area, have been moving up. It's maybe 4:1, 5:1, maybe a 7:1 or 8:1 kind of move has already happened. So can you see, just because the markets are negative does not mean that the longs will not work. If you know what you have to look for, you can identify long opportunities. Now let me also show you some short opportunities. So give me a second. Let's bring this up again. So we'll go to now can you see, these are some trading ideas which are shared. Let's see the date first. So can you see, these were shared on 30th of July, and this was shared for the next coming days. So in this, again, two trades are hidden, only two got triggered. So the two trades which got triggered is BHEL and IOC. These two, the ones which are hidden, have still not triggered. Now all four of them are to the short side, and let's start with IOC. If you look at IOC, now this one is a stopped out trade. If you were purely doing set and forget, yes, this would have been a stopped out trade. Yes, there were reasons for us maybe to avoid this trade, but let's assume that you were doing all the trades as set and forget trade. So this one is definitely stopped out. Prices just went beyond that zone and the zone got violated. The second one is BHEL. Now if you look at this, can you see prices came to the zone? There it is. Prices came to the zone. We already have a move which is more than 4:1. So what I want to show you here is that it's not that if we are planning trades, all trades are going to be a profitable trade. What I want to show you here is that doesn't matter what the markets are doing. If you know what you have to look for on the chart, you can identify long opportunities, you can identify short opportunities. And what is going to happen is, it's not that each and every trade will go in your favor. Yes, you will have winners, you will have losers, but as long as your winners are big, like in this example, you saw that almost all the winners were more than 2:1. So let's assume even if you were getting out at 2:1, three trades would have given you 6, and one trade where you lost, you would have given 1 back to the market. You still made 5, in the last 3 or 4 days. So again, the point which I wanted to make out is that it's not that when the markets are volatile, you don't get trades, or all the trades they get stopped out. You just saw, because of that volatility, in fact, you got some moves which were really nice and big, and you could have participated and made a lot of money on those trades. Now another thing which I would also like to show you is, because people generally believe that maybe, Sujit, you're an instructor, you know how to find such areas, that's the reason your zones are working well. The fact is, it's not rocket science. It's a very simple methodology. So I'm just showing you. Can you see the students in this group, they are sharing their trades. They're also applying exactly the same strategy. Let me just scroll up and show you a few examples. So I'll just show you the ones where probably some people have mentioned the RR they have got. uh, so can you see people are sharing so many trades? I'm just scrolling through it, but you can see majority of those trades prices are hitting those zones, working from those zones. So I'm just trying to find something. So can you see now, here a student says I've already got 3:1 on that trade, right? So I'm just showing you the reward to risk ratio they are sharing. uh, I got a 4.2:1, right? So 4.2:1. Let's look at, got a 5.5:1, got a 12:1, right? Got an 8:1. Okay, so let's move ahead. And can you see all this was today, 1st of August, closed at 2:1, right? So I'm just showing you that it's not me who can do it. If you know the methodology, yes, you people can also do it. Can you see revise my stop loss to 2:1 and the final target will be 4:1. So people are also managing their trade. Once the trade starts going in their favor, they are locking in whatever is on the table and expecting bigger targets, waiting for those bigger targets, right? And let's see if I can show you a few more examples. Okay, so that's just 1st of August. So I just showed you some of the comments where you can see 8:1, 12:1, 2:1, 3:1, 4:1. So it's not rocket science. It's just that you need to know the methodology, and after knowing the methodology, you just have to apply it in a very rule-based and mechanical way. And as long as you can do that, yes, you would also be able to find such opportunities. It's not very complex. It's a simple methodology. So I just thought, let me share a video, because it's been quite a few days I didn't upload any videos regarding the trades. In fact, last Sunday when I did a session, I did show some of the trades which were from the previous week. But whenever I get time, I generally make these videos. But today I especially thought, because the markets have been volatile, why not to show some trading opportunities which we planned well in advance, and what happened with those trading opportunities later. And again, I'll add all these trading ideas. Yes, I'm definitely sharing with all the POS Plus members, and I'll keep sharing with them till 31st of December 2019, which otherwise you only used to get these trading ideas during a subscription period. But like I have announced some time back, that I'm also willing to share these trading ideas well in advance on YouTube publicly to everyone. The only thing I'm looking for is, or the only condition is, that I'm trying to promote my channel, and once I hit that 1 lakh subscribers, I'll start sharing these trading ideas on my YouTube channel as well, again till 31st of December. So the sooner we reach that target, the sooner I start sharing these trading ideas. So if you like this video, share it with your friends, share it with the trading groups if you're part of some trading groups, and I'll see you again very very soon in the next video, or maybe the Sunday session. Until then, trade safe, enjoy your weekend, bye bye.